I'll request everybody else to be on mute so that he can hear only Lalita Mataji and Amrita Mataji.
हरी बोल, रंगभूषण प्रभु is not answering his phone.
माताजी मेरा फोन खराब है, आप दयालु फोन मेरा सेटिंग करिए. दयालु फोन
क्या क्या? Whose phone should I call? Me, Rangushan Prabhuji, please call me.
Call on Dayalu Govind Prabhuji's phone.
Okay.
दयालु फोन. अच्छा उस रीति के फोन कर. वाह जैसा कि आज धनंजय किस प्रकार से एक्टिंग. अच्छा रीति ने फोन किया था मेरे को. उससे बात करेंगे.
Not to speak the word.
माइक बंद कर दे. मुझे मुझसे बात करना है.
Dayalu Govind Prabhu's phone is coming busy.
Mataji, we were calling you only.
Okay, call me fast. And don't put me on speaker. Hari bol.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, so are you ready, Dhananjay? Madhu, you have to time for 1 minute. Are you ready, Madhu?
Yes.
Your time starts now, Dhananjay.
Okay.
One word.
Everybody else, please
English.
mute your phones.
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay. हाँ. One word, Hindi.
What are you acting? No, means what are you showing?
Okay. Is it a jam? Is it? Yes. Okay.
Krishna.
Krishna. Okay. Krishna, huh?
Govardhan.
Govardhan? No. I'm Govardhan.
Finger.
Sing.
Is it Vrindavan?
गोवर्धन परिक्रमा.
You all have 5 seconds.
Hari bol, no comments, please.
Mataji, the time is up.
Mataji, it was एक चक्र यार.
Prabhuji, don't give out the answer because we want the other teams to also guess.
Okay, anyway, Dhananjay
First time excited and all. Good, I knew when you said that. Okay.
Dhananjay has given the answer. It was Ek Chakra. So let's screen share. If you all want to know what is Ek Chakra, how many of you must be hearing for first time, if any of you all? Ek Chakra is in Madhu will say it.
Ek Chakra is in West Bengal. It's in Birbhum district. It's the birthplace of Lord Nityananda, and this place is also known where the Pandavas had, stayed during their exile period.
Very good, well done.
Well tried. Oh.
Next up, we have Hasuba Mataji.
You can put on chat.
Okay. Revati Mataji, you can send it to chat to Hasuba Mataji.
अभी क्या करने का मन है, इसको स्पीकर पे डाल दो उन लोगों को,
और कोई बी से मत
इसको स्पीकर पे डाल दो और अपना म्यूट।
अरे आप ही तो
अपना म्यूट।
Hasuba Mataji, you got it?
Rangbhushan Prabhu and Bimla Mataji.
Everybody, please.
Only all are
everybody,
to be unmuted.
please put your phones on mute. Only Rangbhushan Prabhuji and Bimla Bhakti Mataji will be off mute, and Hasuba Mataji also you can be on mute because you only to be seen. Are you ready, Mataji?
Yes.
Your time starts now.
Square, rectangle. Hindi word or English word, Mataji? Show the thumb. Hindi. How many words? 2 words. Okay, fast. Cut the first, second word or first word. Radha Kund. Drawing, like a painting. Painting. Chitra.
चित्रकूट चित्रकूट
Right answer. Well done, Hasuba Mataji, Rangbhushan Prabhuji, and Bimla Bhakti Mataji. Can we have screen share?
थैंक यू माता। अरे मेरे को नहीं आता यार, चित्र आप पहले।
Haribol screen is visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So Chitrakoot, very well done, Hasuba Mataji and team. It's in Madhya Pradesh. It's the place where Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman spent 11 years of their exile out of the 14 years. And it's also a place where great sages had spent their time in meditation. So Atreya Muni, Dattatreya Muni, Maharshi Markandeya, all of them, they spent their time in meditation in Chitrakoot. Now next up is Dayalu Prabhu and team, which is
Dayalu?
yes, Pramila Mataji.
Dayalu Prabhu, can I personal chat पे भेज दूं?
आसन ग्रहण कीजिए।
सब लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे।
आसन ग्रहण कीजिए।
So you go to, अच्छा, I'll send you, call you on your phone.
I'm calling.
Okay.
Yes, Madhuri. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dayalu Prabhu, your time starts now.
Hindi.
2 words.
2 words. First word. Khatta. Khatta in Hindi, rhyming. Khatta ka rhyming. I couldn't hear anything. What she said?
You're on mute.
She's got the answer. What is it?
Imli Talab.
Haribol.
Is that the right answer?
That is the right answer. Good partnership there. I'm sure by now Pramila very well can understand in ishara. Sab samajh jate ishare mein. Very good. Well done. Please show us.
So very well done again, team. Imlitala, well-known place, I think, to most of us. It's where Radharani disappeared during the Rasila, and sad you're remembering her. It is also this place where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu assumed the color of Krishna when he was chanting his name. So well done. Next up is Santosh Prabhuji's team.
Please call me Santosh Prabhuji. And Mataji, till what time we can do this game? Please let us know.
टीम मेंबर इधर बैठा है, टीम मेंबर इधर बैठा है, देख कौन है? अजय ना?
अजय there is no problem.
Till what time we can have this game?
45.
क्या बात है? No. माइक मत कर दे. Okay.
ठीक है ना, पता चल गया मतलब आप करो एक्टिंग बताओ सीधा.
Santosh Prabhuji's time starts now.
ऐसे बताऊं मैं, बहुत टफ है.
वो भी हाँ हिंदी
आप चुप रहो ना, आप हिंदी.
कृष्णा राधा साथ में महाराज जब कृष्ण राधा महाराज रास सेवा फिर राधा वृंदावन.
I know what it is.
वृंदावन गोकुल.
अरे वो सामने मत देखो. अच्छा, you are in the same room. You don't have other chance. Okay.
Come on.
गोलोक.
This is so easy. Can I guess?
No.
10 seconds left.
अरे हमारे सामने वाला भी तो गाल बोलो यार कोई.
तीसरा मेंबर कौन है? तीसरा
मेंबर कौन था?
Time up. Neeta Mataji, are you able to guess? I think we'll open it to the other teams.
Can we say?
Negative marking नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
Revati Mataji, choose the other team.
We'll go in sequence. Actually, there are no points for this guessing, I think. What should we give points?
पर आंसर इसका ऐसे नहीं होगा.
Yeah, we can.
ऐसे बताए कहाँ?
But then in
Yeah,
which
5
team
points.
we start with?
Randomly, no, the team.
The
who
next
wants
team.
to
The next
answer.
team.
So we'll give if. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the next team is Dhananjay, Amrita, and Lalita. So if they have the answer, we can give them the option. Then go ahead.
Okay. So Dhananjay and team, do you all know? Do you all want to guess? Do you know what this is?
Is it Barsana?
That's the right answer.
Yeah.
Varsana is the right answer. Okay. So you all get 5 points.
Yeah. And
Rambhadra Rupa, was that your guess as well?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Chalo, no problem. We'll go to the next team. Can I know before that till what time this game can go on? Because we have finished 4 dhams. We have another 11 dhams in stock. So, Krishna Mataji can tell us till what time?
The night is young. Hari bol.
Yeah.
Till 45 na, another half an
Okay, fine. तो जल्दी करते हैं. Again, Dhananjay, you have to call me, please.
दिन का हो जाता है, अपने आप ही आता है ना.
Everybody else can put their phones on mute.
क्लासमेट्स के नाम है.
Dhananjay, your time starts now.
One word. Hindi. 2 parts. Second part. Pull. Key. Door. दरवाजा.
Nal.
हिंदी.
Darwaza. Nal. Door.
द्वार. द्वार. द्वारका.
Dhananjay Prabhuji, you have to keep your mouth closed, please.
Dwaraka. No. First one.
Second part. हाँ. Now first part.
First one.
इसीलिए तुम क्या कह रही हो? अभी शुरू करना है तो
नाथद्वार. नाथद्वार something.
Last one. The same thing, Amrita. Say the full name.
तुम टीचर हो क्या? क्या काम कर रहे हो?
Last one.
श्रीनाथ.
Whatever. I don't know the full name.
Yes, yes, but they can't get. They are not familiar with this, so I think you can give it to them.
I love you.
Okay, fine. The right answer is Nathdwara.
Nathdwara. Nathdwara. Yeah.
Nathdwara. So yeah, first time you all are hearing. So good. Let's find out more about this dham.
I love you too.
So Nathdwara is located near Udaipur, and the word, like it was guessed, it's a doorway to Nathji. That's the meaning of Nathdwara, and it's considered the home of Srinathji. Next up, we have Hasuba Mataji and team.
Your time starts now, Mataji.
Hindi. 2 words. Cut. The first word. Second. Mukut or dupatta. Narsimha. Bal. What do you call? Kesh. Something like kesh. Hair. Second part.
ब्रश कर लेके बंद कर निकल कुछ नहीं.
स्नान करके श्रृंगार.
लिखना लिखा है ना.
10 seconds more.
सर, बाल, स्नान, बालों को धोना.
Time up.
Okay, so sorry, time is up. Does any other team want to guess?
Yes,
Please let me know first. Don't say out your guess. Any other team can guess?
Yes, Mataji.
Who's that? Rambhadra Rupa.
Yeah, they are also, I mean, in queue. So Dayalu, Rupa and Pramila, if your team has the answer, you all can say.
Keshi Ghat.
Okay, that's the perfect answer. Keshi Ghat is right. Okay, Santosh Prabhuji is next, I think. Please call. Is that right?
No, Mataji, our team.
Oh, sorry, Dayalu Prabhu. Dayalu Prabhuji, please call.
जैसे बता था केश. ओके. केश ऐसे क्यों?
एक minute. Just hold on 1 second. I'll
And
unpin.
Dayalu Prabhu's time starts now.
One word.
भले बताओ, मैं बता देता हूँ।
मायापुर।
ये देखो मायापुर।
Rambhadra Rupa. Dham Sharaj. I must say you're very good at Dham Sharaj. In fact, I think when she was pregnant, she's done the maximum Dham Yatras just last year. So very well
Yes,
done.
Mataji.
Mayapur is the right answer. And very well done. And now we go to the next
But
team.
Mataji,
Sanjay Prabhuji, please call.
we couldn't
Oh yeah,
see
you
the,
have to show the
we
sorry,
couldn't see
slide.
Dayalu Prabhuji. Mataji,
Huh?
the camera was on Rupa Mataji. We wanted to see Dayalu Prabhuji, what he was doing. We didn't see him.
Dayalu Prabhu, could you please repeat what you did?
गौरानिताई, जय गौरानिताई, जय गौरानिताई। मायापुर धाम।
I didn't get the call well. Can you call me again, please?
नहीं बोला ना बहुत मार।
अरे अपनी टीम में और एक लोग भी स्पॉटलाइट करना है।
Yes, wait.
Time starts now.
Wait, माताजी, wait.
Wait, please. Wait, I'll just spotlight. Yeah.
हाँ।
Okay, your time starts now, Prabhuji.
धनुष, अयोध्या। हरी बोल। अयोध्या वासी राम की जय।
सियावर रामचंद्र की जय।
Okay, who's next?
Dhananjay, Amrita and Lalita Mataji team.
Okay, Dhananjay, please call me. Let me tell you, the level is going higher now, okay? All the
Mataji,
tougher ones will start coming now.
Difficulty level
you please call on Krishnabai Mataji's phone.
अरे तू लगा ना।
डू वन थिंग, जीवी में फोन चालू ही रखो, कट मत करो।
क्या बोले?
Okay, Dhananjay Prabhu, time starts now.
One word. Hindi. 2 parts. First part. Drinking.
एकदम इजी में बताता हूँ।
Glass. Glass.
ये क्या है? लिख रहा क्या है?
No, Dhananjay Prabhu, you cannot do this.
ये टाइप कर रहे हैं।
Okay.
Starts from P.
Okay.
मैं बताता ना। ये आप भी टीम में खेल रहे हो, मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ? नहीं बता।
ना।
Second part.
Second part.
पीना, पानी,
10 seconds.
जल। जल का दूसरा शब्द नीर। नहीं।
Time up.
Can I say?
Okay, who's the next eligible team to guess?
Yeah,
I can say.
Bimla Mataji
Who's the
has
next team to
raised
guess?
her hand.
Bimla
It's Hasuba Mataji,
Madhu, who's the
Rangushan Prabhu
next
and
team?
Hasuba Mataji, Rangushan Prabhu and Bimla Mataji. Bimla Mataji raised her hand.
Okay, please
guess
guess. Huh?
Panihati.
Panihati is the right answer. So 5 points to Bimla Bhakti Mataji's team. Okay.
So just a background on Panihati. It's in West Bengal, and this is the place where Raghunath Das Goswami had actually seen Lord Nityananda Prabhu from afar, and he prostrated and gave his obeisances. Lord Nityananda Prabhu actually caught him and told him that, why are you giving obeisances from far? You're a thief. So come here and I'll give you the punishment. And the picture that you see here is that punishment, where he's actually putting his lotus feet on the head of Raghunath Das and giving him his blessings. So this is about Pani.
Yeah, and the punishment was that he will have to make Chidda Dahi and feed everybody, feed all the Vaishnavas. So we have the Panihati Chidda Dahi festival at Panihati. Well done. Next team, please call me. Oh, is it Hasuba Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, yes.
Okay, you received it. Your time starts now.
Yes, Mataji. Hindi. Two words. First word. Chandan. A lep or alta, chandan, tilak, tika, bindi. Mehendi. So what? Haldi, chandan. Haldi, chandan. मेहंदी हल्दी चंदन नहीं रंगभूषण बाबू you want to tell something?
पीली पोखर राधा रानी की जय.
Oh my God, Radha Rani की जय. Very well done, Rangbhushan Prabhu ji. The correct answer is पीली पोखर. कैसे guess किया आपने?
पीली राधा रानी का हाथ पीला हुआ था, किसी का नहीं हुआ है.
ठीक है, आइए जानते हैं पीली पोखर के बारे में.
देखा, कृपा से राधा करती है, तो उससे बोल में कुछ नहीं आता.
Hare Krishna. Rangbhushan Prabhuji, would you like to tell about Pili Pokhar, the story?
मैं बताऊं. ये पीली पोखर है, ये इसे कहते हैं अभी हम लोग गए थे ना, बरसाने में पीली पोखर आती है. ये पीली पोखर तब बनी थी जब एक बार पूरे ब्रजमंडल में पूर्णमासी जो वहां पे पुरोहितनी थी, उन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया था कि जो कोई भी श्रीमती राधा रानी मतलब वृषभानु जी की बेटी को हाथ में हल्दी लगा देगा, मतलब उसके बेटे से विवाह होगा तो उसका बेटा अजर अमर हो जाएगा. तो यशोदा मैया के मन में एक भाव आया कि मेरा बेटा बहुत प्यारा है, क्यों ना मैं इसे अपनी बहू बना लूं. तुरंत यशोदा मैया ने हल्दी लिया और राधा रानी के हाथ में लगा दिया. हाथ में लगाने से क्या हुआ, जब राधा रानी वापस आ रही थी कि गांव की सखियों ने बोला, अरे राधे तेरा शादी ब्याह तेरा हो गया, अब तू नंद की बहू बन गई. अब वो शर्म के मारे कि मेरे लोग क्या बोलेंगे, मेरे हाथ पीले हो गई, तो राधा ने लज्जा के मारे अपने हाथ को उस तालाब में पोखर में हाथ धो लिया और तब से वह पोखर पीली हो गई. इसलिए आज भी नाम पड़ा है पीली पोखर. और ये लीला हुई थी वो बसंत पंचमी के दिन हुई थी. बसंत पंचमी के दिन पीली पोखर लीला हुई थी. हरि बोल.
हरि बोल. हरि बोल.
हरि बोल. Thank you so much. Next team member.
आसन ग्रहण कीजिए.
The legend himself.
माताजी प्लीज कॉल on Pushpabai Mataji.
La 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 la.
Time starts now, Dayalu Prabhu.
अपने को mute कर. नहीं लोग का team member है. 2 words. Second word.
थोड़ा ऊपर भी करो ना, ऊपर देखो ना.
रूपा माता जी म्यूट.
बताने नहीं आता.
तालाब, नदी, पानी, पानी, नदी. नदी, तालाब, पानी, घाट, रेती, रमन रेत.
Correct. That's the right answer, Raman Reti. Again, well done, Pramila. Isharo mein you are understanding everything. Very nice. So it's a beloved Raman Reti. Let's know more about it.
Haribol, so Raman Reti is the sporting place of our little Krishna, where he in his childhood used to play along with his Gopa friends. और वहाँ की रेती लाइक मैं माताजी है कि वहाँ की रेती चिपकती नहीं है और it's a very cooling रेती गोकुल में.
Okay, चलिए तो now we are going to our last round. तो फटाफट करेंगे because time फटाफट भाग रहा है. Can you tell us the scores right now, Madhu, very quickly?
Mataji, one person is left.
Oh, one round is left. Okay, please call fast.
Mataji, please call on Mataji's number.
Okay.
Full time क्या करता है? क्या करते हैं कमाल.
बहुत टफ है.
Time starts now.
अरे तू
हाँ, फर्स्ट वर्ड. हाँ, सुदर्शन, विष्णु, महाविष्णु, विष्णु, प्रहलाद, विष्णु, कुरुक्षेत्र. भगवत गीता की जय.
Kurukshetra is the right answer. Thank you so much. Well done. We'll move to the next team. Before that, can you tell us the scores quickly? This is the final round coming up.
Yeah. So, I'm sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. So 10 points for every correct answer and 5 points if you've got a crossover from another team. So Dhananjay and Amrita Mataji and Lalita Mataji at 15 points right now. Hasubha Mataji, Rangbhushan, Bimla Mataji at 35 points. Dayalu Prabhuji, Rupa Mataji, Pramila Mataji also at 35 points. And Santosh Prabhuji, Ajay Prabhuji and Neeta Prabhuji 20 points. If I have missed out on something, please let me know. I'll correct it.
Okay, so I'm calling Dhananjay for the final one.
Technical. Yes, Hindi.
Dhananjay's time starts now.
Hindi. Word Hindi.
First word.
One word.
Narasimha.
Narasimha Dev.
Yeah. Narasimha Dev,
Other teams, please don't. Other members, please don't distract him. Please let him finish.
Mataji, this is the last time. Every time they're doing this.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Okay, we start your time now. Start your time again. Madhu, timer starts now.
Hindi was one.
Narasimha Dev.
Narasimha Dev, Narasimha. Amrita.
Where? I don't know.
Narasimha Dev, where? Where Narasimha Dev, where did he go?
Lalita Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyakashipu. No. Hiranyakashipu, Narasimha Dev.
Where did he kill? He's saying, but that place I don't know.
At the doorstep. At the doorstep. No.
What is the place of this, na?
5 seconds.
What do you call it? I don't know.
Ahobilam.
Hari.
Ek wait, who is that?
आंसर दिया ले लेना
ले लेना भाई है कौन
Who spoke in between?
Mataji, me. Sorry.
You didn't know the answer anyway.
Yeah, but we could have passed it to the next team, no?
Please consider as a point.
Anyway, this is the will of Providence. Sorry, we can't do anything about it. We'll go to the next team.
Give the point to them.
Okay, fine. We give the point to you as Mataji says. Fine. Okay, now the next team member is Hasuba Mataji. I'll just let you know. Okay, Hasuba Mataji, your time starts now.
It's a tough one. I don't think I can do this one.
Try,
Can I
Mataji,
change?
try. Break it, do something.
Can you please flip the question, please?
No, Mataji, try. Your time starts now.
I have no idea, Mataji. I can't do this one.
You break it up, no? See the middle word, if they get it also, they'll know. Try the middle word.
Can put the name again, please?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Mataji, are you ready? The time starts now.
शादी श्रृंगार पता नहीं बोली फूल की वर्षा कर रहे हैं हाथ में हल्दी लगा रहे हैं शादी हो रही है
भांडीर नो
बोलने में क्या है
भांडीर वन
मैं बोल रहा पेंट
5 seconds left.
होली बरसाने की होली
माता जी कुछ करिए तो करते जाइए फर्स्ट उसका कोई राइमिंग वर्ड
चल हो गया चले देखो पैसे भी चल
Time is up.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it is a little tough one which we had reserved for the last round. goes to the. Okay, so anyone wants to guess other team?
Yes. Dalu.
माता जी जितना टफ हो सके उतना दो अभी.
Carry forward, na?
No, but I don't know.
She give you the name.
Okay, Rambhadra Rupa. Anybody else? Do you know?
No.
Okay, then if
Mataji,
there's nobody,
actually, I don't see
Madhu,
what
please
she
give us
did.
the answer. What was the dham name?
Rang.
Dhruv.
Rang.
ऐसा करके तो हो जाता था. बालाजी.
Haribol, yes. So the answer was Srirangam, which is a very premier Vaishnav temple in South India, next to in Tiruchirappalli.
Okay, we move to the next team. Please add the call now. I will call. Wait.
Let's see. Yeah, man.
Time starts now. Jaldi karo. Time starts now.
First one word. Hindi. Half. Second word. Don't speak.
Jain. Ujjain.
Yeah.
Ujjain.
Oh my God, Rambhadra Rupa. You're too good at this. Too good at this. Well done, team. And I call the next team again.
सामने भी है ना उज्जू मानस. अरे हमारा बंदा किधर है?
Now.
Okay. धनुष. हाँ. अयोध्या. राम.
Hey, Rameshwaram.
Rangushan Prabhuji, you're not in the team. We will. We'll have to give the points to Santosh Prabhuji's team. Automatically, you get a point. Rameshwaram is the right answer. Madhu, can you share for Ujjain and Rameshwaram, please?
Yeah.
And the final scores thereafter.
Hey, bhai, हमने दान.
Madhu, we can't hear you.
Is the screen visible now?
Not yet. Okay, yes, now yes.
Yeah. So Bimla Mataji can also add to this, considering that she's been in Ujjain. Ujjain is one of the 7 sacred cities, and it is also one of the 4 sites that hosts the Kumbh Mela. Krishna, Balram, and Sudama received their education in this city from Sandipani Muni, and I believe it also hosts a Jyotirling in its city.
Okay, and for Rameshwaram?
So Rameshwaram is one of the 4 major dhams located in Tamil Nadu. So by Lord Ram, when he was heading towards Lanka, this was created there.
Great, and can we have the final score?
Excuse me, Mataji. Can Dayalu Prabhuji or Santosh Prabhu show how would have they acted the word I got, Sri Rangam? How would have they shown? What would they have done? I want to know. Dayalu
Dayalu
Prabhu,
Prabhu, Santosh Prabhuji.
So they are enacting, they're showing the position of the deity. The deity is sleeping, so they're showing that.
Well, I didn't know that. So I was just going by the word itself. So no idea. Okay.
Okay, so final scores, Madhu, please. We are at 11:51 p.m. right now.
Yeah, we have Dhananjay, Amrita Mataji, and Lalita Mataji's team at 25 points.
Hari bol to all the members. Hari bol. Well done. Thank you for taking part.
Hasuba Mataji, Rangbhushan Prabhu, and Bimla Mataji's team at 35 points.
Hari bol.
Dayalu Prabhuji, Rupa Mataji, and Pramila Mataji's team at 45 points.
Hari bol.
And Santosh Prabhuji, Ajay Prabhuji, and Neeta Mataji's team at 30 points.
Thank you so much. Well done, and thank you so much for